everyone, this is Megha and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is all about my summer essential things that help me stay cool, hydrated and keep my skin fresh even in this crazy heat. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first thing that is literally always with me during summer is my mini fan. The heat and humid can get really uncomfortable, especially when you are traveling or shooting content. So this small fan really helps me stay cool and comfortable whenever I go. Next is the cute face mask, and I actually love it because it blocks UV rays. When I step outside, the sun exposure can really affect the skin. So using something like this adds an extra layer of protection. Now coming to my favorite summer skincare essential. During summer, my skin sometimes start looking dull, tired and dehydrated because of the heat, sun exposure and pollution. And honestly, going to the salon every time is not convenient. So lately I am using the FEM Facial Kit. They have two variants. One is FEM Niacinamide Glass Glow Facial Kit and the other one is Hyaluronic Lumi Bright. So today I am using the Niacinamide Glass Glow Facial Kit at home. What I really like about this is that it gives salon-like glow at home, and it comes with a complete 7-step facial routine which is more detailed compared to many regular kits. The step included first illuminating cleanser which gently cleanses the skin and boosts natural radiance. Second, skin renewing scrub help exfoliate and remove dead skin. Third, soothing massage cream hydrated and calm the skin. Fourth, revitalizing gel refresh and energize the tired skin. 5, radiance boosting pack help brighten the skin. Number 6, 24 karat gold elixir serum help with dullness and pigmentation. And number 7, sunblock lotion which protect the skin from UV rays. It enriched with ingredients like niacinamide, vitamin E and 24 karat gold dust which help improve your skin radiance. And the best part is that the whole kit is just $149, which make it super affordable for an at-home facial. If you want to try FEM Facial Kit, it's available on Blinkit, Amazon and Flipkart, so you can check it out there. And my last summer essential is my cute zipper. During summer, it's really important to stay hydrated because dehydration can also make your skin look dull. So I always keep this with me to remind myself to drink more water throughout the day. थैंक यू सो मच गाइस फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो जल्दी से जाके लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए मेरे चैनल को, और मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो कीजिए. मैं यहाँ पे मेरा इंस्टाग्राम का नाम डाल दूंगी. बाय बाय गाइस, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो पे.